गुड इवनिंग। मजा नहीं आया। गुड इवनिंग। दैट्स ग्रेट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर अनूप मित्तल, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर दीपक तलवार एंड रजनी जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर दमनजीत सिंह एंड प्रणीत जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर सुशील खुराना जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर आशीष घोष एंड शर्मिला जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर अमित जैन एंड स्वाति जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर संजय खन्ना जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर नरसिम्हन सुब्रमण्यम एंड डॉक्टर ललिता जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर विनय भाटिया एंड पुनीता जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर सुरेश भसीन एंड प्रीतु जी, immediate past district governor Sanjeev Rai Mehra and Rita ji, my batchmate governor elect from 3080 Ved Prakash Kalta, thank you for coming all the way from Shimla. Governor elect Dr. Dushyant Chaudhary from District 3070. Again, thank you for coming all the way from Jammu. Governor-elect Jinendra Jain. Again, thank you coming all the way from Bhopal. Governor nominee Jitendra Gupta and Deepti ji. District Governor nominee designate Mahesh Trikha. Assistant Governor designate think tank members, President-elects and partners. I welcome you all to this President-elect meet. The word Adhishtan signifies blessings and initiations. With the blessings of Almighty God, we have made the beginning of the Rotary year 22-23. I congratulate all the President-elect who have decided to take over the leadership of their respective clubs. Today is the day when each one of you will be formally introduced before the district. Due to COVID restrictions and we adhering to the guidelines, have scheduled Adhishtan in two parts. Inaugural took place yesterday, where Governor Anup had given the inaugural address and the blessings, and today we are concluding it. However, I am very confident that in our next event, the whole district will be together physically. We have seen the sufferings and miseries due to COVID in the past more than 1.5 years. We Rotarians stood the test of time and accepted the challenge and offered our services to mitigate the suffering of the community. For us, COVID or no COVID, we are always ready to serve the society. We are groomed and built like this. We look beyond ourselves and follow the Rotary motto of service above self. We look for opportunities. हम ढूंढते हैं कि हमें कोई सेवा का मौका मिले, चाहे वो ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप हो, या कहीं पे डायलिसिस की ज़रूरत है, या बच्चों को हार्ट सर्जरी की ज़रूरत है, किसी को आंखों की प्रॉब्लम है, कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी करानी है, कुछ भी। ऐसे ही हमारे को शुरू से जब से रोटरी ज्वाइन किया है सिखाया गया है, और आज सिचुएशन ये है कि हर रोटेरियन यहाँ पे ऑगस्ट गैदरिंग में जो बैठा है, वो सिर्फ उसको एक जरूरत है इस बात को उसको पता लगने की कि इस कोने में इस जगह पर एक प्रॉब्लम है जिसका समाधान हमें ढूंढना है, वो अपने आप ही सामने आते हैं and then they take care of their particular problems. We work on all 7 focus areas of Rotary. Our legacy of 116 years is because of our strong fundamentals of fellowship, four-way test, and integrity. With the changing times, Rotary is also evolving and adapting to the needs of the community. In 2017, Rotary came out with a vision statement. Together we see a world where we unite and take action to create a lasting change across the globe, within our community and within ourselves. This vision statement was further reinforced in 2019 with a DEI statement being diversity, equity, and inclusion. My dear President-elects, it is now your turn to plan and prepare and lead the club and work on all focus areas of Rotary. We should look forward for membership growth, support Rotary Foundation, have good fellowship, and do meaningful service projects. Today you have an opportunity to meet your batchmate presidents of your zone and also of different zones. I had always advocated that clubs should join hand together within the zone and with the other zone to do good large mega service projects. Rather, we should look forward for all the clubs in the district to join together to do large sustainable projects. In the last Rotary Institute, I was made in charge of Zone 4, which consists of 11 districts in the country, to explore possibility of all the districts in the zone doing the same project on the same day. You will be glad to hear that all the 11 districts of Zone 4 in our country have agreed to do the similar service project together on the same day. Further, 4 more districts have also agreed to join hand. That makes 15 districts working together. We are privileged and honored that 8 governor-elects had committed to come here and attend this event. 2 could not come because of one became ill and other had some personal problem. And 3 batchmates governor-elect came yesterday, and 3 of them are here today. May I now invite Dr. Dushyant Chaudhary from Jammu to please come on the stage. Governor-elect Jirinder Jain, who's come from Bhopal, to come on the stage, and Governor-elect Ved Prakash Kalta to come on the stage. Now, let me add on here that yesterday, Governor-elect Dinesh Kumar Sharma was here from Sikandrabad. Governor-elect Pawan Agarwal was from Kashipur, Uttarakhand. And of course, our neighboring district, Dr. Lalit Khanna, was also here. And we have also got the commitment from a governor-elect from Kanyakumari, Governor-elect V.R. Muthu. Now, just imagine a scenario. जम्मू की जब हम बात करते हैं, कश्मीर अपने आप साथ में नाम आ जाता है, और वहां हम कन्याकुमारी की बात कर रहे हैं। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी की जब बात होती है तो भारत की अखंडता की बात आती है। और आज हम रोटरी में कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक हम सब लोग एक ही दिन एक प्रोजेक्ट सिमिलर लाइंस के ऊपर साल में मिनिमम 2 बार ही करेंगे. दिस इज आवर कमिटमेंट. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड दिस इज द सॉलिडारिटी ऑफ आवर कमिटमेंट गवर्नर इलेक्ट.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time ever that we have heard that 14 districts from Kashmir to Kanyakumari will join hands in projects together on the same lines. This is no mean feat achievement at all. A great initiative. May I request all of you to kindly give a standing ovation with a huge round of applause. Thank you so much.
Let me assure you all that in addition to the service objective, this kind of a program will exponentially boost the public image of Rotary. Next year, Jennifer Jones will be the first woman in the history of Rotary who will become the president of Rotary International 22-23. She is a very dynamic lady and from the media world. We all will be blessed to work under her leadership to achieve Rotary goals and objectives. May I also add on here that in our district, out of 125 clubs, we have got almost the data of around 95 clubs, and out of 95 clubs, there are 15 lady presidents. Moving on, I hereby assure you, we will follow and adopt the ethos and values of Rotary in true letter and spirit. Now, I have the privilege of announcing that the district trainer for the year 2022-23 is the person who is matured, experienced, jovial, nice, caring, and of course, food loving. Past District Governor Damanjit Singh. And Damanjit Singh and Damanjit ji, can you please come on the stage, please? Ours is one of the finest districts not only in the country but in the world. And we have excellent council of governors. We will constantly seek advice and guidance from them to successfully run the district. I would urge all President-elect to plan to make impactful change in the society and to take your club to greater heights. Let me assure you that the best year in the life of a Rotarian is the year when he or she is the president of the club. If you don't believe me, you can ask anyone sitting in this August gathering with a green tie, and he will confirm to you that what I am saying is right. I have spent 24 years in Rotary, and I will be celebrating Silver Jubilee in Rotary next year with you all in 22-23. In the end, I would just say, I assure you that we will strive hard and work together to give District 3011 the finest year in the history of Rotary. Thank you.